So, people, many of you have asked me why I don't have 1 million followers. No, you haven't. None of you have asked that. I only asked myself that. Anyway, some of you have asked me about Palantir Technologies. Let's have a look at Palantir. It's dropped off a cliff. You wonder how some of these companies get the management they get. Anyway, that's another story. It's now at 1,000. Its average, since its float, is 2,000. Two standard deviations above that is 3,500. So, if it goes from its current levels to its all-time highs at some point in the next 3 years, you get to triple your money. It's not bad, is it? Almost sounds like one of those Vegas casino games or a lottery. You get to triple your money. Well, that's why they often say stock market's like speculation. Let's not be speculative, but this is high risk. And it's purely a price action play. It's not to do with cybersecurity or what's going on in the world. It's purely price action. The price has dropped to 1,000. If it goes back to its all-time highs, you get to triple your money. If it goes to its average, you get to double your money. If that takes 3 years and you double your money within 3 years, it might happen in a year, might happen in 2, might not happen at all. That's your reward. You can see the risk. Good luck to you. This is not stock advice. This is for educational purposes only. It's not individual advice because I don't know each of you wonderful people individually. And don't forget to subscribe. You'll be glad you did because you'll be one of the few who did it before I hit 1 million followers, which will happen. So do subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Just keep whacking it on your phone until you're absolutely certain. If you whack it hard enough, it allows 10 subscribers to join simultaneously. Let your friends know. Share it on social media. Maybe take out a newspaper advert or an advert on the side of a bus, inviting others to follow as well. Maybe shout it out at supermarkets. I'd be happy for you to do any of those things. Just don't break the law. And one more thing. Look at the links in the bio. There's some amazing stuff there. I mean, seriously, it would make a grown man blush how good the links in the bio are. Thank you very much.